How to see and cancel sent friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then go to menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. Then scroll down and in this your activity section, go to activity log. Now, if you have sent any activity or if you have sent any kind of friend request to someone, it will appear in this activity history. Now, in order to undo it, go to the profile of the person you sent friend request to and then unsend it manually. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.